close your wheel table and keep the window shutters open. Switch off all electronic devices and mobile phones and put them in flight mode, as their use may interfere with navigation and communication system of the aircraft. They may be used after the takeoff and the seatbelt signs are switched off until the seatbelt signs are switched on for landing. Please ensure your hand baggage is placed properly in the overhead compartment. Use of smoking, including electronic cigarettes, is prohibited. We wish you a pleasant, comfortable. Thank you. Automatically in front of you. Remove the safety masks first. Pull the mask with a jerk. Cover nose and mouth with it. Fit the mask tightly around the head by pulling the elastic straps and breathe normally. Help others in wearing their mask only after you have worn your own mask. In case there is smoke in the cabin, follow the luminous escape path along the aisle floor, which will guide you towards the emergency exits. Please read the safety instructions card placed in the seat pocket in front of you. There are 8 emergency exits on board this aircraft, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center and 2 in the forward. Please ensure window shutters are open before takeoff and landing. In case of emergency landing, keep your seatbelt fastened and bend forward. Stay in this position till the aircraft comes to a complete stop. In case of evacuation, unfasten the seatbelt, remove pointed and high-heel shoes. Thank you. In case of emergency landing on water, you will be required to put on the life jacket. Life jacket आपके नीचे के नीचे मौजूद है. The life jacket is placed under your seat. लाइफ जैकेट पहनकर फीते को अपनी कमर के गिर बांध दें और यकीन दहानी कर लीजिए कि बक्कल दुरुस्त तरीके से बंद हो चुका है. To put on the life jacket, pull it over your head and strap it around your waist and latch it properly. फीते को मजबूती से खींचिए और फालतू फीते को कमर के गिर्द लपेट लें. Pull the strap to tighten and tuck the extra strap around the waist. लाइफ जैकेट में हवा भरने के लिए लाल रंग के फीते को नीचे की तरफ खींच लें. टू इन्फ्लेट द लाइफ जैकेट, पुल द राइट टॉगल. लाइफ जैकेट में इस ट्यूब के जरिए से भी हवा भरी जा सकती है. लाइफ जैकेट को जहां से बाहर निकलते वक्त ही खुलाया जाए. द लाइफ जैकेट कैन ऑल्सो बी इन्फ्लेटेड बाय blowing through this tube. The life jacket should only be inflated while leaving the aircraft and not before. शीरख्वार बच्चों के लाइफ प्रिजर्वर अमले के पास दस्तयाब है. शुक्रिया. Toddler life preservers are available with the crew. Thank you. बस मेहमानाने किरामी, आपके नीचे जो लाइफ जैकेट मौजूद हो, अमले की हिदायत
Heavy crew take your station for takeoff.